1, 2, 3, bike. Yes.
Okay, can you sing for me?
Wow, wow. Ting, ting. Wow, wow. Spanish pom pom. Para pim pam pom. Spanish pom para pom para pom para pim pam pom. All good, all good. Okay, okay. So my guess is teacher.
Yes, I'm a
Ma'am,
teacher.
but when I first met you, you look like around 17 years
Oh
old.
my gosh, everybody keeps saying that here.
Oh, you're joking with your teacher in Thailand, right?
Yes, yes.
Sawadee ka. So we have also named USA, United Squatters Area,
Oh.
where the slums or poor people live. But the good thing, they never hurt tourists. Instead, they jamming, drinking, no problem. Yeah. Egg white shells, adobe and clay.
Adobe.
Yes, so they consume almost 300 years to finish it all without single salary.
Oh.
The Filipino called before by the Spanish Indio
Yeah.
or slaves. Their job name Polo y Servicio or forced labor without single salary. Yes. So by the way, this wall is around 4.5 kilometers. Surrounded intramuros. So intramuros means inside the wall
Yeah.
or within the wall. Okay? So before, tourists can walk down at the circle.
Yeah.
This is their entrance going there. But some of them, they pushing each other, it cause
Yeah.
accident. So they decide to close
Yeah.
the entrance.
I think I would get pushed by a
Yeah.
bus.
Too much clumsy.
Yeah.
You said,
Hey.
yes, say, Justin Bieber is my utol.
No!
You're my sister. Ma'am, here, I'll show you a good view. Yun mga gar, Kamyas Gaming muna tayo ha. Good news par. Pakita ko sa inyo, may bunga pa. Sheesh. Dami. So papakainin natin ngayon yung taga Washington DC. Titingnan natin yung reaction niya mga par. Let's go. May bee pa oh. Oops, ito sa atin yung malaki. Sana hindi tayo takihin ng bee. Okay, dalawa. Thank you po. Siyempre para malinis, hugasan natin para may tubig. Marbi, alam mo na walang iba. Target lock. Target lock. Tenenenen. Target lock. Tenenenen. Cheers. Yes, that's called Kamyas.
And you just
Cheers.
cheers.
Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, bite.
It's sour.
Some Filipino, they use this for spices to their.
I think it would be good with spices.
Yes.
You know, tahini?
Tahim, yeah.
Yeah.
Also, it's good to have a little bit salt, no? Pampauto.
What flour is it?
Yes. Kalachuchi. You can put it in your ear. Here.
I put it like this.
Shoutout nga pala sa Madrid family from Cavite. At syempre sa mga kanta mo Noy, maraming salamat. I hope you enjoy our tour.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. So what you gonna say about it?
It was fun and it was nice. And Justin Bieber's a good singer and he's funny.
A good photographer.
And a good photographer.
Thank you for the opportunity you gave before today, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
All
Bye.
goods in the hoods.